All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a
What's up? What's up, YouTube land? It's your boy Chuck back again with this week analysis on gold and Great Britain USD. Last week was great, you guys. Gold and Great Britain USD gave us a great ride. A lot of profits was made. A lot was learned. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this updated week. All right. Thank you guys for joining today. For my new followers that's jumping on checking this out, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And of course, always like the video, all right? All right, so what we have here is gold from last week. That's up right now. This was the play from last week. As you can see, this is what I was looking for here. A play was to come down. Then we get our pullback. And then we come back down to the 17, actually I said 1700, 1680 area. So based off what I have here, we have actually touched this area. So this could be potentially our double bottom that we have laid out right there. But I have been doing some back testing, and I am going to break down a new scenario what I have for gold for the week. So let's get started. Let's get this thing cleaned up real quick. Okay. Take all this stuff off of here. Leave that there for right now. Gold. Everything played out really well. I really wanted a bigger pullback. Gold just continued dropping. So I got to stick with what my first instinct, but it's all good. It still had a good run. Everything played out really good overall. But for gold, this is what I want to see now. Only based off of what the DXY is looking like. I noticed we came up pretty high on the, this is also right here making me nervous now that we sitting above this trend. I'm gonna leave that there. But I noticed that we came up pretty high on the dollar before the market closed, and gold did not get a pullback at all. So I honestly, based off of what I have, I want to see gold come down when the market opens, based off of what the dollar did before the market closed, honestly. So I'm looking at this trend here. So gold coming between this area, then possibly buying. So you know my entry lines are blue, so I am gonna put an entry line probably about right. It'll just make it even 1705. And I'll show you why. So 1705. Could we possibly come down just a little bit lower? And then I have the DXY does it, the dollar does what I'm thinking. It's gonna pull back up. I had a sell limit at 1725 area. So I want to see it come back in this area somewhere. Maybe 1725, somewhere in this location. Let's make that green, because that will be the take profit. This is the take profit and entry zone. Could go up a little bit more, but overall, I want to see this happen with gold. I really want to see it come down a little bit lower. It came close to what I want, but looking at these candles, this could be it. But I am going to be looking for this play overall. I really want to see 1685 hit really, really bad, and I think it's going to hit. And that looked perfect. Now that I see this trend, this makes so much sense. This could be possibly the takeoff zone now that it came back equal, very close to that area. But if you look at this trend line and what the DXY is doing, I want to see this pullback. Then I want to see go back up somewhere in this area. Maybe 1725 is where I'm looking at. Could possibly go up a little bit higher, close to 1730 area. We'll just bring this box here. Just make that so much easier so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I want to see gold come in this area here. Let's say 1730 to be on the safe side. Then I'm looking for a sale to 1685 area. Could push in this zone a little bit, but looking at this trend line, that'll probably stop right there. And yeah, that's the play I'll be looking for. And then see this go rocket back to this zone here. And then, of course, if it breaks, overall 1809 is the overall break area for going higher. So if it breaks, we'll take this, continue going higher up to this zone here. All right. And then everything just keep on going. I'll just move that. That'll be a long time for that happen, months, maybe a year away. But right now, let's just play this area. Right here is what I'm looking for. All right, so nice pump down, then up. Second scenario would be gold comes up. Then we make our move down. All right. I'm hoping it's clear enough. Let me move this out just a little bit. I don't want you guys to get distracted on and not understand exactly what I'm showing you here. So possibly go this way. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna delete this. Well, let me do this first. Or we could just get gold to come down. I'm gonna go back and put my scenario in red. I think I'm gonna do that from now on. I'm gonna just go ahead and put what I'm planning on doing in red so you guys can see, but I'm also gonna give you the scenario of what I see gold doing. So we also can just have gold push down also to this zone. And then, so we're gonna change this up to, because I really want to see 1685 hit. We're gonna change this to 1685. 80 zone to buy from this area. Okay. Yes, I definitely need to see this come back here. So we can remove that. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to space these out. I want to make sure you guys can really see, because these are very, very tight moves. It's going to be quick. And I want to make sure you guys can see what's going on here. Overall, we're just going to send it off to the side. This is going to be the buy zone. All right. So it look like we got possibly 4 scenarios. And then that there. 1735 will be my stop loss area. Stop loss represent red here for me. All right. So once you jump in the sale here, stop loss need to be probably around 1735, because gold can easily push up a little higher just to get a spike. Try to hit some stop hunts, knock out a couple traders that's looking to sell. So don't put your stop loss too tight. Give yourself a little breathing room. But I'm looking to sell here and then looking to buy. And then, of course, if you buy here, your stop loss from last week is still 1670. If that breaks, look to see look to see that continue dropping. All right. Now I'm just giving you my scenario in red. Like I said, that's what I'm gonna start doing from now on. To speed this thing up. All right. I just want to make sure nothing's overlapping really though. All right, so those scenarios could happen. And then, as I told you the first time, my scenario, which would be in red, is going to be come down to 1705 area, somewhere in this area here. So you guys will know exactly what I'm doing. Coming back up to 1725. It ain't got to be exact, somewhere in this area. Then I'm coming this way. And then I'm going upward. All right. So the play in red is what I'm going to do. You can follow that to the T if you want to, but just know that the best scenario is to either jump in the sell when the market opens, put your stop loss at 1735, or wait till you get a pullback to the 1720 area, 1725, and then enter your sell with the stop loss still at 1735. But overall, take profit is definitely 1685, maybe a little bit lower. I hope this works out. You guys can see that a lot better. I'm trying to make sure it's nice and clear, but that will be my play for next week in the red for myself personally. And the other scenario, just sell, buy to the 1725, and then sell, and then look to buy. All right, guys, good luck on gold. Make sure you get a screenshot of this. All right, let's jump on Great Britain USD. Great Britain USD has been making numbers. We've been selling this thing for so long, and we are now in our buy zone. We finally made it. It's been a long ride, but we are here. But what I have for Great Britain USD is, again, same thing with gold, 2 scenarios. We're going to jump on the weekly chart real quick because we trade Great Britain USD on a weekly. It's just a lot clearer, as you can see. This is crazy. Guys, if you've been selling with me since up here, congratulations. You made a lot of money. I should send you guys my Cash App so y'all can send me some profits. Will help you guys make all this money. But that was a joke, just a joke. All right, so what I have for Great Britain USD is for my back testing yesterday, and then what gold is doing. I want to start preparing Great Britain USD to buy really, but we still have to be safe on that. So definitely want another pullback here. Overall, I'm looking for Great Britain USD to come upward, maybe midway to this candlestick that it created. This is a crazy candlestick, so I want to at least see it come up halfway to this candlestick, and from there I want to see it sail back to this area. Yes, and then from there we should be looking to start possibly buying Great Britain USD. As I said, should. I would not, once I get here up and down, I'm going to stay out the market until that day close, because I really think Great Britain USD can come down this area and keep dropping. 14. This is our zone right here, the buy zone. So yeah, I want to see if this closed below this, the daily candle closed below that red line. I will be looking for sales on Great Britain USD. Honestly, yeah. So this will be my play in the red. Is what I'm looking for. Is again the retracement and then down. That will be my play, and then I'm honestly staying out of Great Britain USD. This will be what I'm doing, and so that's the play. Then I go back up to this, of course, and then we will not buy unless this is broken. Waiting for the daily candle to close. Close above or below. One, 4, 5. This is say 4 high. Okay. So there we go. So you guys can't come back and say Chuck did not tell us when to buy or sell. It's right there for you guys. All right. So make sure you get a screenshot of this. This is what I have for Great Britain USD. Like I said, in the red is what I would be doing. I gave you 2 scenarios, and good luck with that. I'll go back to the gold real quick. I make sure I got everything updated. This is what I forgot to do. I forgot to add this here. I just thought about it so you guys can see what the play is on gold. Like I said, I need everything spelled out so you guys know exactly what I'm doing. There's no misunderstanding. We try to keep it very real in this YouTube channel here. No faking. Give it to you raw, exactly how it is. All right. So that is the play right there. Again, in the red is what I would be doing. Okay. And a quick look at a DXY real quick. And then we will get up out of here. Let's see. This is what I was looking for, some of these scenarios here. To bring gold up and then crash, but this was even better actually. As you can see, we broke this zone. So now I want to see the DXY continue going up. As I mentioned a couple weeks back, that if that breaks, this zone breaks and holds, that we were going to look to go up. So once this candle closed above this, I was not looking for any sales anymore. The retracement, yeah, that's cool. But overall, I'm looking for this to continue up. All right, did a little back testing on this, and this is what I want to see also now. As up right now, I just want to see this come back to this area here and then keep on continuing upward. Somewhere in this area for right now. That is the play I have for for DXY, the dollar. So that blue line is the buy zone for me. Let's clean this up a little bit. And then of course, if we break and close back down in this area, we could possibly see the dollar start dropping. Okay. These are two scenarios right now for next week for DXY, pull back and then go up. Or if it breaks and close below here, we're going to sell, which again, that would send the dollar and the Great Britain USD to the sky if this breaks and close. All right. So make sure you keep an eye on this. Thank you guys for joining today. Hope I didn't make this video too long. I want to keep it really simple. Make sure you get a screenshot of this. Everything is working out really well. I'm sorry, I got one more thing. Let me show you guys oil. We did not go over oil last week because I told you it was still doing its thing. And you can see here, it is still doing its thing. Still selling. So the prices are looking really, really good. As long as we hold here, we had a little fake out, but I told you guys, hold the sale. So you should not be in a buy at all. We're looking to take it all the way down here. Okay. And now that is officially all I have to put out. So thank you guys again. If you like the video, make sure you like it here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can receive this content and notification when I put out my video. If you need any information or need to contact me, you can find my information in the description. If you're looking to join my Telegram channel or my Telegram signal group, you can find that information also in my description. Thank you again. You guys enjoy your week, and good luck to everyone. All right, Chuck is out.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my